Hey, it's Kwasi. Welcome back to my real estate blog. Today's topics actually come from two of our subscribers, Stephanie and Angela. Thank you so much for submitting your questions. And what I'm going to do is handle actually two questions in one. And we're going to talk about credit score and down payment because the two kind of go hand in hand, and I'll explain why. So first, let's talk about credit. You want to talk to a mortgage consultant and have them run your credit. Don't go to free credit whatever and think, hey, this is what my credit score is, and make decisions based on that. Okay, so talk to a mortgage consultant. Number two, once you get your credit report, even if you went to one of those websites, don't go just paying stuff off. You want to talk to a mortgage consultant and say what is going to have the most impact. Unfortunately, just paying stuff off doesn't always have the most impact. So again, talk with your mortgage consultant. And then number three, you want to be thinking about the balances that you're carrying on your credit cards. So let's say I have a $10,000 limit on my credit card. What I've always heard, a rule of thumb is if I'm carrying $5,000 on that $10,000 card, so I'm at 50%, I'm doing okay. If I'm carrying 30% or below, even better. Again, you want to talk to a mortgage consultant in order to find out, hey, what's going to have the most impact for me moving forward to try and get a loan to buy a house. And then let's talk about the credit score in order to get a loan. Every single lender is different. They're going to have different rules and different guidelines depending on the investors they have and whether or not they're selling the loan to FHA or Fannie Mae. So you want to talk with your mortgage consultant about that. There are down payment assistance programs for first-time home buyers as low as $0 down. So for instance, you can go take a look at the Washington State Housing Finance Commission. You can take a look at their website. They have some programs. There's also small community banks that do, $500 down payment with no mortgage insurance. But that's all depending on your credit score, your income, your debt to income ratio. So you want to make sure that you talk to your mortgage consultant to find out, hey, what works for me. And then you also have, if you're not a first-time home buyer, you're looking at FHAs about 3.5% down. There's conventional products as low as 3% down. But if you have cash, you might want to think of, hey, do I really need to put all the cash down? Or can I do a down payment and prepay my mortgage insurance? So there's a lot of different things that you can do. Again, you're going to want to talk with a mortgage consultant to find out what is going to be the best for you. Have I said that enough on this video? Talk to your mortgage consultant. Hey, look, there are a lot of steps in buying and selling a house. The only step you need to remember, though, is call me and I will help you and guide you through the rest of the process. Thank you so much for listening. Look forward to hearing from you soon.